Hey guys, I'm showing you this bike helmet. This is a very nice professional bike helmet. It comes with this pack. This is the pack that you can store your bike helmet. It's a waterproof one, and you can see that it comes with some accessories. There is a light in the back, and it's very nice professional design. So there are multiple adjustments that you can do to fit to your chin and stuff, and you can see like this is there so that it will not hurt your chin. This the buckle so that you can adjust the length of this and put it. So this is an adjustment that you can do for the back stuff, and this is the light, and this is the cushion. So everything is taken care of. This like a waterproof, sweat proof, very nice, sturdy, protective and safe for use. And this have a really nice grip on your head. This for the ventilation, and this is the light that you can put like if you are going or biking in the dark. So they are also provided extra battery for the light and the screwdriver to change the battery. So it's like a base camp helmet. So manual is provided straightforward how you should wear the helmet. What is the main one? This is the battery that you can just take it out, and you can with the screwdriver you can open this and you can change the battery. So this much is pretty straightforward, that you can change the battery when it's low. Light is really helpful in the dark when you are going like SOS light or things, so that any person can see you light and stuff. So this is for the light. You can change the battery here, and you can then just screw it down and put it back. So it's pretty nice helmet. The fitting is really comfortable. I tried on myself, uh, and I will also show you. So the thing is, when you are not in use, you can just put it back in this waterproof case and just store it. So here I'm using it while biking, and you can see the fit is really nice, comfortable, and it fits really well. No issue with this. And the grip as well is no issue like with the ventilation. So I'm just trying to put like just to show you the side. So okay, here I goes for the biking, and it's really well. I like this. Hope you enjoy. Have a safe biking.